Today we will share an indicator that you can use for free. Some time ago, we shared a strategy where we used an indicator called Heiken Ashi indicator. So through that indicator one can analyze the market very well and find good entry from the market. In that video, we have shown the use of that indicator and how to find that indicator, but this indicator is not available on many platforms, so today, we are here with this indicator. If you have any problem to get this indicator, then watch today's video till the end, and in today's video, we show you how to download and set up this indicator for free. So hello viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. The indicator we will share today is called Heiken Ashi indicator. Heiken Ashi indicator is a very good indicator, so if you use it, you will get very good feedback. So keep watching the video. We will show you where to get this, and how to set it up. So let's see how to set up. The link of the indicator will be given below the video. I am saying again, the link will be given below the video. You will click there at the beginning and a page will open. On this page, you will get this indicator for free. So what do you have to do? Surely you can see here the indicator is showing, and its name is Heiken Ashi. And you can see here that download is written. So please click on this download icon. Clicking will open a small page where you have to click yes or no. That is, if MT4 software is already installed on your computer, then click yes, and if MT4 software is not installed, then click no. But of course, since you set up this indicator on your MT4 platform, you should install this platform in advance. Then when you click on the yes option, the MT4 platform on your device will open, or if you want, you can open the MT4 platform by yourself. Then you have to log in here. That means we are using free indicators from the MQL5 website, so we have to log into this website and download these indicators. If the login page appears, then log in, otherwise, no need. It is not a difficult task. Just enter your email address and your name, then click on register option. An account will be opened here and they will email you the password of that account. Then you can log in by entering your name and password. Very simple matter. After that, you will see below the indicator will show exactly like this. For example, here we can see our indicator, and below it is written open. That means our indicator has been downloaded. So now what we will do is click on the view option at the very top, and then click on the navigator option, or click control, and then this will open a small page. And then here you can see a folder called market, and inside this folder, we have our indicators. That is, you will get the indicator that you downloaded, then click on it. Another page will open here. Just click on OK, then your indicator will set up in your chart. Surely you can see that we set up and the indicator is showing in our chart. You can analyze using this indicator, but since this is a different candle pattern, you need to use line chart instead of candlestick chart. Otherwise, you cannot use this indicator. So we have set up the line chart. Now you can definitely see, that is, the candles that you can see now are the candles of Heiken Ashi. So surely you remember how to follow this indicator to do analysis and take entry. Then you will follow that way. That means the candles of this indicator are not like the candles of the candlestick. For example, even if the market is in an uptrend, bearish candles can be seen in the candlestick chart, and if the market is in a downtrend, bullish candles can also be seen there. But the specialty of this Heiken Ashi indicator is that if the market is in a downtrend, then each candle will show red, and if the market starts to go uptrend, then each candle will show green. If you see the market's trend is changing, you can take an entry immediately. In that case, it depends on the type of candle. If you see that the trend of the market has changed, that means after the bearish trend, a green candle has been formed in the market. It means that the market will now go to an uptrend. So then you may take a buy entry, but in that case, as I said, it depends on the type of candle. You should see shadowless candles or doji candles. When the market comes to a downtrend, then if a bullish candle is formed, then you need to see if that bullish candle has a lower shadow. If not, then you can take a buy entry. I repeat, if that candle doesn't have lower shadow, then you can take a buy entry. Similarly, when you see a bearish candle, and if that candle has no upper shadow, then you can take a sell entry. Also, you can follow the doji candle. We have given a video on this subject, where we have talked about this subject, so please watch that video for details. In that video, we have shared full information on how to use this indicator and how to analyze it, so if you want to learn this strategy, then definitely watch that video.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the FOREX BD link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that FOREX BD can meet your needs all the time.